Oh, some mushrooms here. I wonder if these are edible. I'm not aware about the tree and wood type of mushrooms, tree mushrooms. I don't recognize these, but I'm a specialist for the edible normal mushrooms. Ooh, check that, folks. That's a small skull. Yeah, it is old one. Rotted long ago, cleared itself from the flesh, and he just has some mold, some moss, like micro moss on it. Okay, maybe I can sell that online. I see some people buy these, some people sell them, but I'm just in honor of the animals. I just leave them where they are. There are enough things to be sold for money and for earning a living, so not everything I think is for sale. That's my principle. Anyway, that's why I sell online. You know, some of you who know me, about the materials, the forest materials I sell, like driftwood, barks with moss, slate stones, miniature slate stones and such things. It's all wonderful in the forest, folks. It's a little bit windy, but it's so warm. See, I'm with my shorts, folks, and because it's like 21st of May today, and of course you can see me. My name is Hristo from Bulgaria, and I am an artisan, craftsman and artist, let's say, from Bulgaria, who loves to wander the mountains. And check where I am now. It's warm. That's the southern winds from Greece. This way is kind of south. You see the sun is up there. And we call it the southern winds, the Южняка in Bulgarian. So it's very warm already. It's good for walks in the forest. I wanted to come for a walk and show you. This is nearby Dunevo, that's a neighborhood from Smolyan, like 1 kilometers or 2 kilometers away from the rest of the town, kind of, but it's a neighborhood for sure. Smolyan. It used to be a village years ago. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm gonna leave you a little bit with the video and the sounds of the forest.